Look at the eggs, all in a row. Each one has a color show. Let's learn colors one by one. With these eggs, it's so much fun. Red eggs bright like a fire truck, rolls around with a little cluck. Blue egg shines just like the sky. Watch it bounce and jump so high. Yellow egg is sunny and warm like sunshine after every storm. Green egg hides in the grassy ground. Can you spot it? Look around. Orange egg rolls nice and slow like pumpkins in a row by row. Purple egg like to spin and play like grapes on a summer day. Pink egg giggles with a hop, spinning round it just won't stop. Brown eggs calm and smooth and cool like tree bark or a wooden stool. Black eggs hiding, what a trick! It pops out fast and gives a kick. White eggs plain but don't feel blue. It shines the brightest just like new. So many eggs, so many shades, rolling through colorful parades. Now you've learned your colors all from bouncing eggs, big and small.